So we just exited, no, yung Port of Calapan. This is Oriental Mindoro. It took us almost 3 hours, no, ferry from the Port of Batangas. So we're going center, no, ng Calapan. I think Calapan is the capital city of, or this is ano to, parang embedded na city, no? Anyway,
In 200 meters, turn left onto Roxas Drive.
Roxas Drive, yung Rojas niya, Roxas. So we'll have full tank again sa Shell.
Petron na Petron.
Take the next left onto Roxas Drive.
2 kilometers yung kan, di ba?
Yeah. There's Petron up here. But kasi you have to turn left already eh.
Hindi, kan tayo.
Ha?
Shell tayo.
So hindi ka pa muna mag-ano?
Balik lang tayo doon. Pero isa maghanap-hanap pa tayo.
In 200 meters, turn left onto Algozar.
This is Calapan.
Kasi-
Very nice, very clean.
Kasi sabi niya 2 kilometers, so most likely dito na rota, di ba? So, sinasanay namin na Shell.
Take the second left onto Algozar.
It's 2 kilometers, I think. Looking for a Shell station. Because yun yung advice ng one of those attendants sa Ford.
Talaga.
Let's just assume. Pero yung first na full tank kasi is parang sa isang generic. Oh, dito na. Tama din punta natin.
Shell is still 1.5 ahead.
Ah,
Masyado tayo mag-deviate na from our route.
yun, punta na natin. Kasi mahirapan tayo. Kasi maghanap.
Turn left onto Osmeña.
Yeah.